You ain't cool that, bloody hell.
Yeah. He's got like green mags as well, no, ricochets do not count. Good old SVD.
Makes a nice noise too.
When it works.
Oh, hang on. Oh, why is it quiet?
Is your gas running?
Yeah. No, it's actually better that way. It means it's not as powerful.
Right, get in there.
Oh wait, wrong person, sorry. Wrong person.
In what way is it not better to have high gas?
No, as in it's
Yeah.
less gas is going to BB, so it's not as powerful.
Yeah, why is that not
Because
good?
it's very slightly underpowered. What's the limit on this?
1.64.
I think it was.
So it was 1.64. Yeah, good to go, mate. Oh, okay, yeah. Good to go. Yeah, you're good to go. Good to go. This group here.
We've got a sniper gang.
Snipers and DMRs.
Sorry, Mr. Ghosty.
There we go, that's better.
Am I good on respawn? Yeah.
I think that's putting the trigger.
Am I good on respawn?
So is it like bang on the limit?
Basically, yeah. On it, but I don't want obviously if it's right on the limit.
It's not.
It's not, so it's better to be under the nowhere.
What weight BBs do you run in it? 0.3s, yeah, so...
It's got, it might feel stronger than
It's not too bad, because if it was still bang on the limit with like 5...
yeah, not good.
So do you reckon, if there's a gap in the mud, can I stab someone?
Oh nice, got him on the dime.
Yeah, that's cool. If you're heading back to the safe zone, make sure that
Okay.
yeah, that's cool.
I'm with you then. Because it's not much fun.
What is better? So, this way?
Yeah, probably just through the middle with
Yeah,
your
I know,
hand up,
I know, but we come in this way.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Can I go in the building?
Not in it, no. Like Barry
My whole thing is foggy.
That's game over! Game over! Holding your fire, switching sides!
I've got to play it right this time.
Ooh. Doink.
Yeah. Straight to the heli as well.
What, through the big open cargo
Yeah.
door?
I just want to see. Oh wow.
I got one there, plays right on the dome.
Pardon?
Got one there, plays right on the top of the head. Through the gap there, through the hole in the helicopter.
But how did he even get up there? How did you even get up there? Marshall, how did you get up there? Oh wait, he climbed.
Yeah.
My uncle's getting batteries. Because mine ran out.
For my battery of my gun was running out. Just ran out just in time.
I hope he has back on time.
Yeah, would he?
I mean, I did take his gun. Ow.
side lost the battery. Someone dropped a battery up the other end.
There might be a kiddie shot of a flat battery. I got one of the other team right on this house, stone right on the top. I got through the gap on the Heli.
Buddy, put your mask down! Never lift your mask up on field!
I'm going to try and get up against the wall and just peek over and stab him.
I shot through the gap and actually landed right on top of his.
Do you know how much paperwork it is for these guys when somebody gets hit in the eye?
Yeah.
Only half of them can read.
Yeah, it has to be all in colour picture form.
I'll give it a go.
I'm going to try and stab him.
Are you looking for a battery? Up at the other spawn.
Yeah, I'll tell you the best place to go. You come up with me, this spot at the top there, the bush. You can get the mount and Heli, other side of Heli quite easily with DMRs and snipers.
There you go, Vincent.
I'll get lost, I'm sure.
So basically, you're straight up there. There's a little dip. Get a dip in there. Got perfect range for Heli. On the back, other side of Heli. And me and Adrian are the car, he's not here at the moment. We always go up there. I'm coming straight Heli, he's coming down the Heli. And no one comes that way because we totally dominate that area. Let's see if I can get Charlie again. Think so.
Well, he called it.
Oh, I hit the head, it hit close to him.
Well, I would like when we
Okay, team, stand by!
Hit!